Welcome to another SolidWorks video by NCCS. Today I want to talk about equations, global variables, and how we can use them to dimension our product. This equation interface can be accessed through tools and equations. Now first off, what is a global variable? They are independent variables that can be set to any values. Users defines names with assigned numerical values, and they can be used to drive dimensions and be used in equations. They will also need a unique name and a value. Equations are used to create mathematical relationships between dimensions. Now, let's draw a model together using global variables and equations. First off, I'm going to assign the length of my model. So I'm going to write in L for length. And the value is going to equals to 50 millimeters. And on the comment, I could write down length. Okay. Now I'll start drawing a model. In here, when I'm dimensioning my model, I could go on to equals, go into my local variable, and select my length. For the height of the model, I'll be using half of the length, which is 25. But I can do this using my global variable that was assigned earlier. When we apply an equation to dimensions, you will see that a segment symbol will show up, and this shows that this dimension is equation driven. Now I'm going to extrude this rectangle out by a thickness of 10 mil. Now here I'm going to assign thickness to 10 mil by creating a new global variable. Start T. See this little icon showing up. Just click OK. It will ask if you want to create a new global variable named T. You can toggle on and off to show the variable name and the value. Next, we're going to draw a circle in the middle of our block. After our circle is drawn, I want to dimension it so that its diameter is 1/3 of the length. Similarly, we just type in equal, find our global variable, and divide it by 3. Here's our final model, and we can access to all our equations and global variables made in tools and equations. Alternatively, you could select the equations from your feature manager. So here we can see the length, 50, thickness of 10. And it's a good idea and a good practice to comment on your equations and global variable as you go. By using equations and global variables in SolidWorks, users can quickly change the design with a certain ratio in the model. For example, if I were to make the length to be 200, everything will change with it. This is an efficient way to redesign your model using different dimensions but with the same ratio, or to create different configuration. Thank you for watching another SolidWorks video by NCCS, your SolidWorks provider.